All you wanna do is see me turn into a giant woman. All I wanna do is see you turn into a giant woman. This will pass. She'll eventually just burn herself out. That's what you think! I'm an eternal flame, baby! But we made him feel like it was his fault. Sapphire, you know what's nice about being split up? I get to look at you. This gem tech is simply archaic. Hi, I'm Steven. And how many more Stevens are present in this area? Oh, just me. Build Earth, they said. It'll be easy, they said. Why are you here, girl? Me? Nothing. I was just, well, I like to watch you sleep sometimes. You don't know how horrified I was when that direct nearly fell into our mouths. Speak for yourself. I love it when much passes through my body. Ha! Garnet wings. No dinner for 1,000 years. 1,000? I swallowed a rock. I forgot how great it feels to be me. Hey, Steven, want to see something cool? You're just too much. Maybe you're just too little. Yes, I hate doctors. Well, I'm a doctor. Each living thing has an entirely unique experience. So, what did you think of the ending? I thought it was on page 917. I thought it was a disaster. Unlike art, the real world can't always win against the iron chains of authority. Steven, Connie, I did it. You did it. What do I owe you? Oh, nothing. It's on the house. Really? Okay, but just so you know, that isn't a very sound business practice. You got the job, Fribo. Let's shake on it. Okay, no more shaking. Steven, last call. I've got funny stickers. What are you having, Steven? You must be hungry. Hey, do I smell hot dogs? I'm Lapis. Lapis Lazuli. Are you really a crystal gem? Yeah, thank you, Steven. No problem, Bob. It's Lapis. Yeah, you only beat me because you're a fusion. If I had someone to fuse with, come here, brat. Oh, don't fly off so soon. Lapis, listen, fuse with me.